So let's create a new project and implement our first REST endpoint action. So go to the file, new, order. Here we have Spring Startup project. Click on next. It will take us to this, connect us to the start.spring.io. So here the name of this project, let name it REST service. Okay, and I will leave the group as coding techniques as well as the package, and I will change this to REST service tutorial. Okay, click next. So the only dependency we need here is the Spring Web and Spring Boot Dev tool for the live reload. Okay, click on this dependency, finish. Okay, our project is ready, and here it is, REST service. Okay, you can see we have the starter class here, REST service application. Okay, now let's create a new package to add our controller inside. So right click, new package, here it is, then name this controller, and then we need to create a new class. Okay, so this is the controller class here that we will create. So, and let name it update controller. So, and we'll let add user update controller like this, finish. So here is the class user update controller. So first of all, what we need to do here, let add the add controller. For this, to add it to a Spring container, we have add controller. So, and I need a add request mapping here, and let have endpoint like this, API slash update. Okay, so we'll have two action inside this controller. So the first action is public string, and I will name this profile pic update. So that is for the image update, just an example. So, and this will return, let's set this will return profile picture updated successfully. Okay, so, and I will need another method. So let's define the get mapping associated, the endpoint associated with this action, that is the path. So, and the path for this, I will name it profile pic like this. Okay, so, and let's define another public string bio, that is to update bio, return. Okay, so let me set have bio updated, updated successfully. Okay, so, and I will name this get with this bio. Okay, so now we will have to add response body to each of these method, so that when we call this method it will return these values. So we don't want to return a view, so we are telling the dispatcher servlet that this method will return directly a name that we have here. Okay, we have add response body here, and let's add the same add response body here. Okay, now that we finish having these two actions, we will try to access them. So before then, let's run the application, run as Spring Boot app, and I will use Postman to access these actions that we have here, these endpoints that we have. Okay, you head to the browser and look for the www.postman.com, then download it. Once you download it, open it, you can see the interface is like this. Click on this plus that we have here. Once you click it, you will have this address bar, and you can see you can choose the HTTP method, and for our case is get method. Okay, so let's add the address to our endpoint, HTTP localhost API update profile pic. I am trying to access for the profile pic. You can see we have API update, then followed by this profile pic. So let's go back to the Postman. Once you add this, you can just click send. It will send the request, and you can see we get this as a response body, that is profile picture update successfully. Okay, so on here you will, if you want, you will add the parameter, that is request parameter, request header, and the request body here. Okay, that is what we have. And then you can, if the response consists of headers, you can see the headers here, and you can see the status for our request is okay, that is the response is okay, and here is the time that it takes and the size. So this is for the profile pic. Let's try to access the other action that we have, the other endpoint, that is bio. So let's go to the, so now let's try to access the bio, and then send the request. It is a get. Go to the body, you see we have bio update successfully. So okay, now let's go back to the code here. You can see we duplicate this at response body. Here we have twice, so let's just change this to at rest controller. It serves the same purpose. At rest controller, this, remove this, so it applies to all the actions that we have inside this user update controller. So that is what we have here. See you in the next